Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another video over here, and today we are going to talk about a method that can make you $275 on and on without much work from your end. Guys, this is a brand new method that I haven't spoken about on this channel yet, so make sure you stay until the end to fully and completely understand it. Guys, if you are new to this channel is all about making money online in different ways, mainly through affiliate marketing. So if you are interested in that, consider subscribing, and at the end of the video, if you will like it and you will get some value from it, give me thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm so we can spread the video and the information to as many people as we can. Guys, before we get into all of this, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing on a daily basis, I have a free video where I explain it in great detail. So if you are interested in that, then just click the link in the description below and I will see you inside of the video. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm here on my PC, on my laptop, and what we are going to use is various platforms, alright, and we're going to start with Pinterest.com, alright. Pinterest.com, it's a platform that is pretty much there to share photos and pictures with the world, alright. So I'm here on the main page. Excuse the language, it's in Slovak, alright. I tried to change it into English, but unfortunately it's just how it is. The next pages are going to be in English, all right? So what you want to do is you just want to first of all register if you're not yet, all right? So that's it. Here is going to be register, and what you can do is either sign up with Facebook or Google, which I highly recommend, as you don't have to fill in all the details over there, all right? So once you are registered and you sign up into your Pinterest account, here is going to be kind of like your hub, all right? And this is what we're going to work on later on. So this is what we are going to create now. Then we're going to go away from Pinterest for a while, but before we go to the next platform, I just want to show you the traffic on Pinterest and how popular it really is, all right? So as you can see, here is pretty much 1 billion visits per month, all right, on Pinterest.com. So this is a really huge number, all right? It's very popular, and that just tells you that there is abundance of traffic and potential customers for us to make some money online, all right? So that's pretty much it. Now we head over to our next platform. So first of all, you know, we are here on the Pinterest. This is going to be our platform where we are going to share photos, right? And what we need to do, we need some offer, all right? We need some product to actually offer these people. So we are going to head over to a platform called fplus.com, all right? This page is pretty much an affiliate marketing network, all right? Similar to ClickBank, for example, all right? But with the biggest difference is that on ClickBank, kind of like your main purpose is to sell the products, all right? So don't freak out, all right? We're not going to actually do it. That's why I want you to stay until the end. I'm going to explain you exactly what we're going to do. But on ClickBank, you're supposed to, you know, sell the products, all right? And, you know, obviously selling the product is always a little bit difficult, all right? But what is great about F Plus is that you can actually make money without even selling anything, right? And it's called pretty much CPA, all right, which is cost per action, all right? And you are going to be paid for sign ups, all right? How many people are going to sign up literally for free, all right? That's how much you're going to be paid. So we are going to look into F Plus network, all right, and we want some offer, all right? So here you have all the offers, but what we want to do is we want to search for something, all right? I like to do a search for gift cards, all right, or some giveaways, which is something that people really like to do, all right? So what you can do, you can search into the search bar over here, gift card, all right? And here is all the bunch of offers that you can choose from, all right? Very popular are, you know, Amazon gift cards or Google gift cards or PayPal gift cards or something like this, which many people can actually use, all right? So I found this one, which is PayPal $1,000 gift card, all right? Which is great, all right? Which when you think about it, somebody can win $1,000 in PayPal. And as you can see, here is the payout, which says $2.75 per sign up. All right, which means this is how it actually looks like. We cannot really see it, but, or actually, yeah, we can see it over here. Let me just open it up. This is how it will look like, all right? So let it just load up a little bit. And so here you can see confirm your email. So they put the email address over there, they continue, and that's pretty much the sign up. That's for what you are going to get paid, all right? So what you want to do is click over here on this run this offer, and you're going to be put onto the company's website. In this case, it is private CPA. All right, so you just want to register over there, get your affiliate link from there. All right, and then we want to head over to our third platform, which is called Canva. All right, Canva.com. Canva.com is, if you don't know what Canva is a great website, completely free, and it's a designer's website. All right, and why do we want design? All right, a designer website, because on we are going to share our designs on Pinterest. All right, so let's get back to Canva. Canva they have a paid plan, but I use Canva on a daily basis, and I use only the free plan. So again, you want to sign up. You can do it again with Google, Facebook, or your email. Again, I highly suggest using Facebook or Google, as it is easier. So once you register and you sign up, here is what you're going to be presented with. This is kind of like your dashboard. You have all your designs over here. And what you want to do is click over here on the create a design and just type in Pinterest. All right, as you can see, I already have it there. And we want to choose this one, 1000 to 1500. Okay, you can choose also this one, but this one is like more popular, I would say, or more widely used. So once you click on that, here is going to be kind of like the templates that you are going to be presented with. Again, choose just one randomly, I would say. If you see something that is like, okay, this is something I want to take, then just choose that one, but don't spend too much time on it, as there are no really filters to choose from. So you can just even choose a blank template, and then later on you can edit it. All right, that's what I actually did. So just choose one, and then on the next page, this is going to be your design, and here you can actually choose from templates over here, and you can actually write something like gift or a present or giveaway or whatever you want. There you have also filters, so you can choose the free ones, all right, and not the paid. So it's going to be easier to edit it from here. So you want to choose something that is you like. I chose this one, and you just want to write in something like 1000 gift card giveaway over here. And once you are satisfied with your design, you want to click over here on this arrow and click over here on download, pretty much. All right, you can choose PNG, JPG, or whatever else type. I use PNG, as it is fine. All right, so just choose one, download it, and once you have downloaded, then we want to head back to Pinterest. All right, so let's get back to Pinterest. And as you can see, this is the hub you're going to be presented with, and you want to create on this create pin. All right, this big plus button. Once you click on that, you're going to be presented with an option just like this one. So again, you want to drag your image over here. All right, and once you do that and it's loaded, this is going to be how it looks like. All right, this is the design. Now with the title, you want to put pretty much the same what is this offer from the F+, right? The same one, 1000 PayPal gift card. And then in the description, you want to put something like, sign up for free, limited amount of places available, for example. Okay, nothing extraordinary, something like that. You can come up with something. And then after all, and the most important part is to add your destination link, which is going to be your affiliate link over here. All right. So once you are completely satisfied with that, then you're going to click on this publish button over here. And that's pretty much it. Then after that, the power of the Pinterest will kick in with the 1 billion visits per month. You can clearly see, you are going to see thousands and thousands of views for this pin, and the chances are that pretty much you just need kind of like 100 signups to have those $275. Now guys, the best thing about this method is that you do it once, and as you can see, it took a few minutes to do it. You do it once and then later on you don't even touch it, and it's kind of like you can make money until the offer is on, or until you decide that you don't ever want to leave it there on the Pinterest, right? So this is a method where you can really scale it up with kind of like a passive income, all right, if you want to. Again, what I highly suggest you to do is put more and more options as you can, all right, as many as you want, or as many as you can possibly, just to, you know, have that kind of like, you know, the chance to get those sign-ups, as many as you can, all right? So that's pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Now guys, my last words for this method is that, you know, put that effort in, all right? This is a method, all right, it's nothing extraordinary, as you can see, nothing special, all right? You don't have to have any knowledge extra, all right? You just need to put that effort into. So I highly advise you, all right, to put that effort in, and you will see the results later on, and it's going to be really rewarding. All right, guys, so this is it pretty much for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you got tremendous value from it. If so, give me thumbs up, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are interested in the free video about affiliate marketing, where I explain it in great detail how you can actually create your affiliate marketing business as well, then just click the link in the description below and I will see you inside of it. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye guys.